Hey everybody, how you doing? Oh, hope everybody is having a good day so far. Last time we did some ColdFusion with some Java, and we exported that stuff out. And that was in Epsilon 3.java class. Here's what it looks like. Just to remind you, it outputted an array, it outputted a hash map, or a map, which turned out to be a struct. So I decided to do another one, and this will be, I just call it Epsilon 2. It should probably be called like person or something because it has a name and an age, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and add a toString method. We're going to override the string method on this, and we will return the name and the age. And then we need to compile that. Oh, accidentally forgot to put in a semicolon. Put in a colon instead. There we go. Let's try this again. Then we need to, let me command in here where I jarred up the file. Here it is. So that will be our epsilon jar, and just to, there's the contents. So there are two compiled classes. Our compiled Java files, we shouldn't really need the Java files in there, but just for this little thing, that's fine. So we're going to get rid of the jar file that's in here, and then we will move that guy in its place. Okay. Then we need to restart the ColdFusion server. So sudo ColdFusion, cfusion, bin cfstop.sh. That will kill the server as I get a drink of something. Okay, let's make sure it's dead. Yep, it's dead. Alright, now we'll restart it back up. So it takes a moment or two. We'll just let it wait. As it decides to do its thing here. If it wants to do its thing, eventually it will. There we go. Now before I go back to this test.cfm file, I want to show you what is in it. Because if I don't, we won't be able to get far. So if we go to our, oops, not bin, root, and we go to test.cfm. Here's the old code. So right now we have cfset person, and we're just creating the object like we did before. So in here, if we go to here, and then we go to test.cfm. There we go. So we have our get age, get name, set age is an integer, set name it's a string, and we have our overridden toString method. Simple enough. There's your package name with the class name. So then, if we go into here and we do, so let's get rid of this guy. We go cf set person dot set name. We'll call him George. And we'll go cf set person dot set age. We're gonna make George 26 years old. Good for you, George. You're 26. And then in here we're going to do cf output, and we will do person dot get name. And is cf output person dot get age years old. So that should print out George is 26 years old. So let's find out if it does. There we go. And it does, based off the information that we passed in there. If we pass in, say, a different age of 30, now George is getting older. And now he's 30. So you can create objects with this, and you can interact with those things. And just that little toString option that we had before. Let's get rid of this guy. We'll go cf output person.toString. And there is the string that we compiled or made from the name and the age. Now here's another interesting thing. Let's say, so we have person equals that. So what if we did cf set person2 equals person? And then we go, well, let me do this. Name, Fred. 2.set name, your age. He'll be 20. Fred's a little bit younger than George. So if we cf output person 2.toString, and we'll put a break in there. Let's see what that does. Okay, so it overwrote person 1. Interesting. So if I wanted to do another person, then I wouldn't do person2 equals person. I do another create object Java DreamSense.utils.2. And then if I come back here, then it should show, yep, George and Fred. Okay, just wasn't sure what that would do, so I thought I'd give that a shot. Take that as for what you will. Anyway, just some simple things I wanted to do with this. Obviously, there's so much more you can do with this, but that's just kind of that. Next time, we need to get some ORM stuff, I think. That'd be interesting, I think. I really do. So we might try that next time. But for right now, that's just more Java with ColdFusion. And we'll talk to you later. All right. Happy coding. Bye now.